Hey Stella, what are you doing here?
What do you think I'm doing here? I'm doing my job.
Y'all know the name. D. So.
Doing my job, doing my job, doing my job, doing my job, doing my job.
Hi everybody, I'm Mika, and I love Vsauce. Please watch Boxing.
Ang iparating ko kasi is yung mahaba kasi explanation yung I encourage people to read the manual to life, to read the Bible. Kasi ang problema yan, ang manual sa buhay natin, ang manual natin, pinapabasa natin sa iba. Tapos saka na natin tinatanong, no? Hindi natin alam, pag sinabi nung nagbabasa sa manual natin, talon ka, hindi naman pala talon doon, tatalon ka, kasi hindi mo alam yung manual mo. So, kaya doon nagkaaway, na-divide yung mga ano ng tao, paniniwala ng tao.
16:24. Sinabi ni Jesus sa kanyang mga alagad, ang sinumang nagnanais sumunod sa akin, ay kinakailangang itakwil niya ang kanyang sarili, pasanin ang kanyang cross, at sumunod sa akin. Yun ang salita ng Diyos.
Okay, if anyone would come after me, he must deny himself and take up his cross and follow me. So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi ibig sabihin nun na magbuhat ka ng cross dyan, magpalo-palo ka sa katawan mo.
This is spirit.
And you're doing your workouts, what are you listening to?
It's a mix, different ballad and hip hop, and like Snoop Dogg.
Very nice. Put it down for the LBC, Manny.
Doing my job, doing my job.